Today, we're taking a closer look at XRP and asking a question that's on a lot of people's minds right now. How much could 500 XRP be worth by the year 2026? As the crypto market gears up for what many believe could be another massive bull run, XRP continues to hold a prominent spot in discussions around altcoin potential, future adoption, and long-term value. XRP has been around for over a decade now, and despite its fair share of ups and downs, it's still standing strong as one of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. While some coins have come and gone, XRP has managed to maintain relevance thanks to its real-world use case in the payments industry and ongoing developments from the Ripple team. At the time of recording, XRP is trading at approximately $2.57 per coin. That means if you were to buy 500 XRP today, you'd be spending around $1,285. Now, the big question is, what could that investment be worth in just a couple of months or years? Could 500 XRP turn into a few $1,000s, or something much bigger? To start answering that, we need to look at XRP's history and where it stands today. Back in January 2018, XRP reached its all-time high of $3.40 during the height of the last major bull run. Since then, like most cryptocurrencies, it's experienced years of consolidation, legal uncertainty, and market corrections. But unlike some of its competitors, XRP never fully disappeared from the radar. In fact, Ripple, the company behind XRP, has continued building, forming partnerships with financial institutions around the world, and expanding its on-demand liquidity service. Major names like Santander, SBI Holdings, and American Express have already partnered with Ripple to explore or implement blockchain-based solutions for cross-border payments. But of course, we can't talk about XRP without bringing up its long-running legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This case has been a major cloud over XRP's potential, with the SEC alleging that XRP was sold as an unregistered security. For years, this case has created doubt, stalled adoption, and made some investors hesitant. However, recent developments in the case seem to be tilting in Ripple's favor. If a final ruling brings regulatory clarity and removes the legal uncertainty, it could open the floodgates for institutional investment in XRP. That alone could be a catalyst for serious price movement. So what are analysts saying about XRP's potential over the next couple of years? Some conservative predictions suggest that XRP could reach between $4 and $5.50 by 2026, assuming that the broader market moves upward and Ripple continues to expand its network. If that happens, your 500 XRP would be worth anywhere between $2,000 to $2,750. Other experts are more bullish, projecting XRP to potentially hit the $10 to $15 range if the next bull market exceeds previous cycles and Ripple wins its legal battle. In that case, 500 XRP could be worth $5,000 to $7,500. That's a solid return for what would currently be just over a $1,000 investment. And then there are the ultra-bullish predictions. Some believe that based on historical patterns and speculative cycles, XRP could reach triple-digit territory if mass adoption and extreme demand kick in. One popular but controversial figure in the crypto space, Dark Defender, has predicted that XRP could eventually skyrocket to $280 per coin. While that sounds crazy to many, if it ever happened, 500 XRP would be worth a jaw-dropping $140,000. Of course, that kind of prediction requires everything to line up perfectly. Legal victory, institutional adoption, a booming crypto market, and a major increase in global utility for XRP. It's not impossible, but it is extremely ambitious. Let's not forget, the crypto market is notoriously volatile and influenced by dozens of factors. Interest rates, inflation, political instability, regulation, technological breakthroughs, and even simple market sentiment all play a role in where prices go next. We've seen coins pump and crash within weeks or even days, so predicting the exact value of any crypto in 2 years comes with a healthy dose of uncertainty. XRP also faces competition. Other fast and scalable cryptocurrencies like Stellar, Algorand, and even new generation blockchains like Solana or central bank digital currencies could eat into XRP's market share. In order to thrive, XRP needs to not only survive the competition, but stand out and scale adoption at a global level. But here's the thing. XRP has a very specific niche. It's not just another payments token. It's been built with financial institutions in mind. And if Ripple continues to work closely with global banks and payment providers, XRP could carve out a lasting role in the future of cross-border finance. So let's recap a few scenarios. If XRP hits $5 per coin, Your 500 XRP would be worth $2,500. If XRP climbs to $10, you're looking at $5,000. At $25, that's $12,500. And if XRP were to reach a wild $280, then yes, 500 XRP would be worth $140,000. Those are big numbers, and while they're exciting to think about, it's important to approach them with both curiosity and caution. The truth is, nobody knows exactly where XRP will be in 2026. What we can do is pay attention to key developments, especially the SEC case outcome, Ripple's expansion efforts, market cycles, and broader crypto adoption. Crypto investing is all about balancing risk and potential reward. Always do your own research, diversify where possible, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. XRP may have massive potential, but like every asset in the crypto space, it comes with its share of risks. Now, I want to hear from you. Where do you see XRP by 2026? Are you holding XRP? Do you think it will outperform other altcoins in the next bull run? Drop your predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay up to date with more crypto forecasts, market news, and deep dives like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.